Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can install a path in Valorant. So without further ado, let's get started. So if you have already got a game on your computer, what you need to do here is to go on search, go to installed apps, then look for Valorant here, Valorant, and uninstall it, right? Uninstall it, and then go to your browser, just write install Valorant, and probably it will be this link here, and then press play free, and then you need to sign into your account. So let's sign in with my account here as well. And after you sign in with your account, then you can press play free and download the installer. So let's save to the desktop and just keep it. And then we need to run it, as you can see here. And then you should get this message here. And then what you need to do here, go to advanced options, and then you can change your install path here, whatever you like, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.